By buying Mini Biola Soft Laser, you have bought a high-quality medical laser. The appliance is handy, easy to use and safe, even if you don't have specialist knowledge. It's completely safe to treat yourself with Mini Biola Soft Laser if you follow the instructions. It's also painless and aseptic and doesn't cause any damaging heating or any side effects. The Mini Biola Soft Laser is a combination appliance that can be used both for surface treatment and laser acupuncture. The Mini Biolas consists of the cap, the head part, a battery, the laser part, and the laser tip. Inserting and changing the batteries. If the laser beam only appears as a weak light spot, the batteries have run out. Unscrew the head part of the appliance. Remove the used batteries and replace them with new alkaline manganese batteries type 4LR44 or 4SR44 with 6 volt. Please ensure that polarity is correct. Plus pole to the push button switch, minus pole to the laser part. Then screw on the head part again and only use leak-proof branded batteries. Cheap batteries may leak and destroy the electrical parts. Warning: danger to eyesight. Never shine the laser beam into the eyes and do not look into the beam, even with optical instruments such as glasses or lenses, etc. The using. Remove the cap from the laser part. Place the cap on the head part until it snaps shut. The laser will then switch on automatically. To switch off, remove the cap from the head part. The accessories of the Mini Biolas: the massage lens, the acne hair paste tip, the acupuncture tip, the guidebook for soft laser therapy. Suggestions for use. Arthritis. Hold the Mini Biolas directly in contact with the skin for about 7 minutes. Scars. For reduction of scar pain and increased elasticity, hold the Mini Biolas for about 4 minutes with distance on the skin part. For treatment of acne, pimples and pustules, unscrew the laser tip and screw the acne hair paste tip on by hand. Treat the skin parts for about 4 to 7 minutes. Hair paste simplex. Hold the Mini Biolas with the acne hair paste tip for about 4 minutes on the lip area. Distortion, tennis elbow, tendinitis, wrinkles. Unscrew the laser tip and screw the massage lens on by hand. For laser acupuncture, unscrew the laser tip and screw the acupuncture tip on by hand. The laser beam is concentrated using a lens system so that it comes to a point at the end of the tip. So you can treat each acupuncture point known by you for 1 minute.